Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Richard today. Today we're going to be installing one of these Hampton Bay kits on this stairwell. It's meant for outdoor stairs. We are going to do it for this stairwell kit. Now, one thing too to note is we're going to be doing it on the wall, not in the middle of the stairs. You can choose which one you'd like and what way you'd like to do it, but you'll see the way we're doing it. Since we don't have hardwood on the stairs and it's carpet, if we were to cut through the centers, we'd have a lot of problems. You'd end up with tearing the carpet up and stuff. Since we're putting it on the sides, we have to make sure we have access. So if we look up the side here, you'll see that, oh look, we have all the opening in the world to drop the wires, and we've checked every single one. Now that we know that this is all good, next thing we need to do is go up top and quickly drop our power down, and you'll see exactly what you need to do. This comes with a 1-inch spade bit, but that's what we found in the package. We are going to go ahead and use that 1 inch to drill these out. As you can see here, we have them on the steps that we want. We want it every few steps all the way up the staircase. Now, if you are going to add some more lights to this, there is another piece here so you can add additional lights. If you're not, just leave this on like this so that way it's still watertight, especially if you're using it outside. If you're using it inside, not a big deal. So from right here to right here is 5.5 inches. What I did is I measured the stair. The stair is 11. So I wanted half that, which is 5.5. And then I only wanted it a little bit up. So we just went right up to here, which is about 2.5. And if we back it out, you'll see halfway. So it's in the middle of the stair and it's only a couple inches up, which is, or well, 3. So from this point, after we have this, you can go and you can mark this out on every single one and then poke a screwdriver through if you'd like, just so you know that you're clear on each side. And then with the 1-inch spade that's included, you can go and drill into it. After you take your spade and you drill out that hole that you've made, you're just gonna take it, slide it in like so, and it should go in like this. If you're worried and you see a little bit of a gap and it's drywall, you could throw a tiny bit of DAP on the back and then stick it in and then just hold it for a couple minutes, and the DAP itself will adhere to the wall. You could also do a couple other things. Just use a minor bit of adhesive if you need to, and then adhesive it if you need it. In this case, we'll see. It's just a little bit of a gap. So with this, as you can see, we've got it in here. You need to make sure that you've got your creative skills, because if you take a look and there is a 2x4 where in one of them, you can choose to drill through here. And if you can reach from the other side, you have to drill. Flexi bits for drills are great for that, where they're like usually 3 feet long and they're flexible, so you can bend it with your hand or whatever, and then you can drill through and get it. Just make sure you're not drilling through any area with pipes or where you see existing power, because you could easily go through a wire. So the next thing is just continue all the way down the stairs from where you go, and just keep on going and shoving those wires through, also making sure that your wires are still going to screw in and connect to each other. So this is the little box. Like I said, you just screw these back into each other and you can add some at the end if you want. Quick thing to let you know though, if you take a look here, you have to hit right here to change it. You can't do it from outside away from this, because if you do, well, it won't pick up the signal. It's not RF, it's IR. So let's go take a quick look at the stairs. So I just changed it to white. And if we come over here, you'll see that the white has a little bit of a bluish tinge, but it looks really, really good. Let's see if I can zoom it out for you. Looks just like that, going up. Anyways, I hope this video helped you out for installing this if you want to give it a try. And again, it just gives you enough light on the stairs for if you're running up and down them and have to take a pee, you don't want to wreck your night vision or whatever. And it gives a nice little look to the stairs. Well, thanks again for watching. Press a little like to help you out, and subscribe for more.